Car? What is it? What is that, Logan?
Go.
Car. Can you say baby?
Go.
Car. Did you find all of Daddy's cars? And that's funny, you have a car in your shirt. You know those are Daddy's cars? And you are playing with them? We won't tell him that you're playing with his cars. Yes. We will not tell him at all. There will be no evidence.
Go.
Car. Okay. So you can say car too. Wow, you're learning so many words. Good job. Car. How come that car keeps flipping over? Huh? Okay, why are you so close? Get back. What do cars do? Vroom, vroom. Make the noise, Logan. Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. How many cars do you need?
Oh.
Yeah.
Go.
Car. Thank you. We don't throw the cars. Logan, what do the cars do? Vroom. Vroom. Yeah. Vroom. Vroom. I don't think you should step on those cars. Where are you going? It's a carjacking. Come back here. Stop carjacking. Come here. Bring those back. We're never seeing those cars come back. Barley, stop. Logan, where are you? There he comes. Bringing the cars back. Car. The cars go vroom vroom. Hmm. Yes. The cars go vroom. Ooh, look at that one. That one spins. That's fascinating. Do it again. Do it. Vroom vroom. Vroom vroom. Vroom vroom.